Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Baba Sekou and Mama Imani taking a quick meditation moment here during First Eye Cafe.
Hello, everyone.
Baba Sekou is just outside the frame having a little bit of cereal for first breakfast. And right after this video, I will be making some scrambled eggs. You know, he's allowed an egg or two every once in a while. And probably making some homemade turkey sausage. But I just had to come on quickly to show off something that is phenomenal to me. This is an early morning Food Lion haul. Late last night, I decided to not do what I usually do, which is taking a long time to go through everything available and making up my list. Usually it takes over half an hour, and then I have to wait 2 or 3 hours for delivery. So late last night, I decided to just get what we absolutely needed to stock up on, and I kept it to less than 20 items, and I was lucky enough to hit the tab that was buy two get one free. So just to show off some of the great deals, let's see. I tried some new things. This is the first time I will be trying the Irish butter. It's in the 8-ounce blocks, but buy two get one free. Our sons love this cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This size is the 12-ounce. It was buy two get one free. V8 juice. It's 100% juice. It's flavors that they love. Peach and mango. Buy two get one free. Stocking up on hot sauce. Very reasonable price. Buy two get one free. And we're going to be making sandwiches. We always run out of pickles. Kosher dill stackers. Bought two, got one free. Another great deal. I wanted deli, but since this early in the morning the deli is closed, so instead got the Castlewood Reserve oven roasted turkey breast. Picked up two of those because we go through sandwiches. Especially today is Friday, Peace and Freedom Friday, and the youngest son has the day off. The middle son will have the whole weekend off, and we will be eating sandwiches, watching anime. We were down to about 3 bars of soap in the linen closet, so 6 bars of sensitive skin. Got one of those. They also have a great deal on the cubes of ultra soft tissue. I believe they also have the lotion infused ones. I'll try those next time. So I only got 2 of these. And we were out of dish liquid, y'all. So I got 2 of, this was a great deal. Got 2 of these, Ajax Ultra. And a little bit of self-care going on. I usually get the Bella lemon myrtle soap, but I saw this, and it is 2 scents, flavors that I love. Lemon lavender, and it is a bath bomb. And if anyone truly knows me, they know that I love baths much better than showers. So I got 2, and I will be luxuriating over the next couple of weeks. So that is the early morning haul. I will be adding things to the pantry, and these will go in the fridge. One of these will go in the fridge, the other 2 in the pantry. One of the juices will go in the fridge, the other 2 in the pantry. All of the cereal in the pantry. And thank you so much. Regarding the pantry, we're stocking up, getting ready for the colder weather, getting ready for the more storms to come. We don't have a personal vehicle right now, so it is feet, public transport, the bus, or the local taxi service. And none is reliable. So having delivery while the shelves are well stocked at the beginning of the month is a good idea. If you are fortunate enough to be paid every week or every 2 weeks, please consider getting a couple of extra items and stocking them away. Even if you put them up on a dry goods and canned goods, put them up on a shelf, or to keep them cool, a plastic bin or a box, and put them in the bottom of the closet. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please give it a like and leave us an inspiring comment. I am stocking up and prepping for late fall and winter months. Storms are coming. It's going to get cold. And I will be also bringing more videos about batch cooking and another job that I have been putting off far too long, scrubbing out the oven right before I start doing all of the miraculous baking that I have planned. So, Mer Aa, much love. Hoping that your Peace and Freedom Friday is safe, healthy, and blessed in abundance. Blessed be.